So yes, it is your favorite village girl reporting life. I be cheerful. A realistic day in my life. Actually, no, this is not a realistic day in my life. I am in the village and cooking with firewood. Nothing about this is realistic. But yeah, you can still watch it. When you say hi, this is my sister. When you why we cooking with firewood again?
Because somebody decided not to buy gas.
Gas finished. That is the answer to that question.
Same thing.
The gas finished and we are boiling hot water because Samantha is too much to beat. So yes, it is your favorite village girl reporting life. Today is 3rd of January and I am still in the village. So you could say hi. That's my brother. Ah, not to just love village life for you.
Oh no, the smoke is killing me.
We can't wait to go home.
This thing had the hand. Grab the handle. Pass. And for your leather.
Hey!
That's why I said this if I were to have such a. How funny I just be a girl not with my hand in
Você
Eh?
See, I was talking.
Esse.
conhece não?
What happened?
Nem mettre na rua, você o fez.
Ah,
Agapa. Hey! No. Let's not do this again, please. The hot water for my grandma is ready. Let's go give it to her.
my hand for the side.
Fine, you did, right?
Can you see that smoke?
You can move my phone.
God. I don't know. It keeps changing direction. It's not stable. I can pause it again. Yeah.
My eye. The smoke is. Smoke is painful. So how do you feel?
I think this is oddly soothing. Except for the part where the smoke enters your eye. I think it makes you feel like you have achieved something.
Achieving.
Like you have achieved an aim of cooking when nobody thought you could cook. This firewood.
This is ridiculous.
It's nice, so except like I said, when the smoke enters your eye. And when the little bit of fire falls on your leg and then you scream for your life and push that
Okay, so the time is 8:51. 8:51. We've not had breakfast, we're still warming up stuff. Using firewood is so much harder than using gas. Yeah, so updates. We're still here. chef. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to go and have breakfast and I am so tired. All that cleaning and cooking and warming. But yeah, I'm going to have breakfast, oats. So yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing to join this family. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.